Okay, let's be honest. I have been working on this office for days, weeks, months, years, and it is time. I need to be able to focus on all of my businesses and growing in 2025. To do that, I need to get this space completely pulled together. My biggest challenge in this space is the piles. I'm a piler. Let's call a duck a duck. If you've been following me for a while, you know I'm a piler. It's completely ready to go to meet with my accountant. And usually I do that the first week of February. And I wasn't ready this week, or this year. In addition to just being like sick constantly. Just when I thought that I was out of the woods of being sick, I got sick again, which stunk. Anyway, let's get working in the office. I might have bit off more than I can chew today, but we are going to persevere. I think we got to start by just sorting. We're going to start with this section and we're just going to start sorting. I think that's the best idea. One of my son's friends, or two little girls in school, made my son pictures and gave them to him. And they were so cute, and he didn't realize it. He didn't realize they had like little hearts and stuff on them, and he had just told them, go ahead and put them in my bag. So when I pulled them out, and he looked at me and goes, there's hearts on them. And I said, yeah, and he goes, they love me. Mom, they love me. It was the sweetest thing I have ever experienced. Oh my gosh, kindergartners, they're so sweet. It's no secret, I absolutely love my Rose Forever flowers. These aren't just any flowers. They're real, handcrafted, and designed to last for years. No watering, no maintenance, just timeless beauty for any space. And as you can see, I have them displayed all around my office. And that's because when I step into this space, I don't just want a place to work. I want a space that inspires me and brings me joy. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, there's still time to order these stunning flowers to brighten someone's day. But they are not just for special occasions. They're the perfect, all year round pick-me-up. Use the link below and code Allie20 to get $20 off your order. And I want to thank Rose Forever for sponsoring this video. As a piler, I do have quite a few piles of photos and memorabilia that I need to go through. And you can see here, I did get a little bit sidetracked and started looking through them before I caught myself and tucked them away for another day. But as I was going through memory lane, I obviously was coming across some photos of my mom and some just beautiful memories that we had shared together. I did have to stop myself from going down memory lane and put them back into the piles to save for another day. But I definitely have some projects that I have been putting off, and I need to really get myself in here to take care of them. So there's two posters, and one I'm even though she's in that one as well with me. but this one is about the two of us. And I'm just going to read it. So this is from April 9th to May 13th, 2016. And it says, my mom's name, business leader, and her daughter, Allie, director, and then what region we were in. And it says, I love how Allie's mind works. She comes up with really unique ideas, and we run with them. You know, back when she was 7, a newspaper did an article on me, and they asked Allie what she wanted to be when she grew up, and she said a doctor, a lawyer, or a Tupperware lady like my mom. She has most definitely succeeded. And then I said, I'm very lucky I have that person to run ideas by, to ask questions, and to get advice from. My mom always has the right words to say. I do my best to try and be like her. And if I can get compared even a little bit to her, I'm quite honored. I'm going to hang this in my office because I want to remember all the amazing times. I want to remember all of the amazing memories that I do have. Because not many people get to say they worked with their mom for 10 years. And I did, and I learned so much from her. So I'm going to hang this one back up in my office because this one was us. She and I earned this. She was really amazing. It's a little hot in here from this. At the beginning of this video, I mentioned that I have a lot of business goals for 2025. And honestly, that was an understatement. Because beyond my business, I have so many personal goals too. Health goals, fun goals, family goals. I found that throwing myself into goal planning has helped me navigate grief over the past year. Or maybe it has just helped me avoid it. Either way, setting goals has kept me moving forward. One of those goals is my 40 by 40. 40 things I want to accomplish before I turn 40. And the clock is ticking. I still have quite a few to go, but organizing my office, that was on the list. And today, I got one huge step closer. Now, I still have a few piles left, but they're work piles, and I'll tackle those on a work day. Progress is progress, and one step closer is still a step in the right direction. Another big goal, growing this channel. And as I continue working towards my goals and working through my grief, I just want to say thank you for being here with me. It truly does mean the world. Thank you.